afternoon.
Hi, good afternoon.
I'm Sanjeev from VC Media, and we are here to cover the Startup Mahakumbh. And on behalf of VC Media, I would like to welcome Mr. Rohit Gulati, who is the director of RAR Technologies Private Limited. And we would like to understand his startup journey and the product that he's into, and what is it that he wants to communicate to the people who are at Mahakumbh today.
Hi everyone. First of all, I welcome all to Startup Mahakumbh. This is a great opportunity for startups like us. So, myself Rohit, I am here to represent our Technology Private Limited. We are a startup recognized by Government of India. So we are into operation since 2022. Okay, and we are here to promote our platform, that is ATS Mantra. Okay, so this ATS Mantra we have come basically. One of the biggest problem in the industry is the recruitment. Okay, so the problem with the recruitment is that it's very costly, it's time consuming, and moreover, it is not cost efficient. So what we have done through this ATS Mantra platform, we are trying to empower the recruiters of India so that their manual tasks can be reduced. So all the system has been automated using the AI. So that empowers a recruiter by 300%. So the efficiency of recruiter getting this 300%. So that drastically reduces the expenses of recruitment agency and the time taken by the employer to the recruit people for its company. So that's an overall win-win for both recruitment agency and for employers. And this overall provides more opportunity to the job seekers because using the AI we are giving them curated jobs as per their profile, and for the employers we are giving them quality candidates through this platform, and that too in very quicker time. So that's what we are trying to solve this problem.
And something about your startup journey.
Okay, initially we started this company, we started creating cloud-based ERP for the manufacturing industry. Okay, so when we were delivering the ERP to them, so then we came across the problem of this recruitment they are facing MSME industry, right? So this cost of hiring is very high for them, and moreover this is very time consuming. So they asked us to get something for them in this space, so that then this idea came to our mind that we create something for this industry, because this MSME industry they are constantly struggling with all this kind of problem, recruitment problem. So starting in 2022, so I started this journey by the name of RAR Technology Private Limited, and later on we evolved as the time. So with the team, so right now we are having a size of around 40 people, and we are into the recruitment as well as into the software development and mobile apps and the web apps. So for MSME industry, we have come on with one more idea and one more offer, that is offer that hire at 1%. So now what happens there, whenever any organizations hire from the recruitment agency, though they usually charge 8.33%. Okay,
Right.
so what we have come across with an idea, they need to pay us only 1% per month, so that fees they don't have to pay upfront all that 23%. Okay, so now they have to pay 1% every month. So if an employee leaves them after 3 or 4 months, so they don't have to pay entire 23%. They just end up paying 3 or 4% to us. Okay, so this drastically reduce the cost to them. Moreover, this is not upfront. They don't have to pay all the fees together. They have to pay month by month. Okay, and that is also for a limited period. It's not for that forever. Okay, so this our package is being liked by a lot of MSMEs. They have registered with us, they have signed up with us. So this is one of the very popular idea. And on the top of that, what we are doing, we are providing a recruiter on lease. So a company who doesn't have the HR capabilities to find the candidates or process those candidates. So we give them the recruiters on lease, so that they can use that recruiter during their hiring for 2 months, 3 months, 4 months, or whatever the time they want. Okay, so overall we are trying to solve that recruitment problem from end to end. Moreover, on our platform, once you recruit a candidate, if you want the background verifications, okay, that you can get through our platform. That is very easy and automated system, right? And on the top of that, a lot of other things for job seekers, upskilling platforms would be there. So if they are not, they do have some communication issue, or they do have some kind of upskilling required in some technical space, so that feedback will be given through this platform, and they can choose any upskilling agency so that to uplift their technical skills. So this is all what we are doing to solve the problem of job seekers and the employers through our efficient system.
Great initiative. And any future plans that you have in your pipeline?
Yeah, as of now, we want to do more for the MSME industry, because we understand the startup we like are okay. So they need more support, cost efficient solutions. So what we are trying to do, we are trying to bring out the good and economical solutions for the small scale industry, MSMEs, and the startups.
So people can connect with you on your website and then subsequently get in touch with you.
Yes, they can reach out to rartech.com. Okay, or atsmantra.com is our platform for the job seekers and for employers and for the recruitment agencies. And from May onwards, right, we are coming with a free job portal for the employers, so they can create as many jobs as they want, and that will be totally free of cost forever for them.
And that will be on your portal.
Yeah, on the portal.
That's great initiative, great support. And on behalf of VC Media, I would like to thank you and your team and wish you more success in the coming years.
Thank you very much.
Thank you so much.